In this brief video, we will look at the Layouts button. And when I click on the Layouts button, I see everyone in a grid. This is the default, and I will now change this to Stack. With Stack View, this allows me to see the active speaker on the bottom with the other participants on the top of the screen. With Prominent, we show the active speaker on the upper left part of the screen with the other participants arranged across the bottom and beside on the right. Now I will change this to Focus, which brings the primary speaker into the foreground and hides all the other participants. So now let's take a look at what this would look like when content is being shared. When content is being shared by a remote participant, Stack becomes the new default instead of Grid. And I can change that to some other options. So this is side by side, and it puts the content on the left and the participants on the right. Prominent shows the content and the active speaker in the upper part of the screen with the other participants arranged across the bottom. Another one is called Floating, where the participant who is talking is displayed on the top. Another option is called Focus, and this allows me to display the content and hides the participants. So I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much.